Winter is here, and it's the perfect time to transform your outdoor space into a magical winter wonderland. In today's video, we'll share 8 creative winter fence decor ideas that will help you add charm, warmth, and festive spirit to your yard. Let's get started. Nothing says winter quite like the warm glow of string lights. Whether you prefer classic white for a cozy, elegant feel or colorful twinkling lights for a fun, festive touch, string lights are an easy way to brighten up your fence. Wrap them around the posts, drape them along the top, or even create light-up shapes like stars or snowflakes to really make your space pop. Next, let's bring in some greenery with winter wreaths and garlands. Pine, fir, or eucalyptus garlands look absolutely stunning when draped across your fence. You can add a wreath to each section of your fence, tying them together with a ribbon or festive baubles. This creates a beautiful, unified look that welcomes the season. Looking for a fun family project? Create your own snowman decorations for the fence. Use large white ornaments or painted wooden discs stacked on top of each other, then add accessories like hats, scarves, and buttons. These DIY snowmen will instantly bring a smile to everyone who passes by and make your fence stand out. For a cozy rustic touch, consider adding wooden signs to your fence. These can be as simple as a welcome winter or let it snow, or you can get creative with personalized messages. Hang a few of these signs along the fence or at different intervals to create a charming focal point. Bring some life to your winter fence with winter-themed planters. You can fill planters with evergreen branches, red berries, or even small Christmas trees. These natural elements add texture and color, making your fence look vibrant even in the colder months. Plus, the greenery will make your space feel fresh and inviting. warm, rustic atmosphere by hanging lanterns or candle holders along your fence. These can be battery-powered or real candles, depending on your preference and safety needs. The flickering light will create a beautiful contrast against the snowy background, adding a soft glow to your outdoor decor. Add some sparkle to your fence with decorative snowflakes and festive ornaments. Hang oversized snowflakes along the fence for an elegant winter touch, or use baubles and metallic accents for a chic, shimmering look. You can even mix and match various colors and textures to create a unique, eye-catching display. Finally, why not give back to nature with winter birdhouses and feeders? Hang a few birdhouses along your fence to create a cozy little retreat for birds. Add a feeder nearby, and you'll be able to enjoy watching birds as they feed and flit around, adding life and movement to your winter garden. With these 8 winter fence decor ideas, your outdoor space is sure to shine this holiday season. Whether you're looking to create a cozy, festive, or whimsical atmosphere, there's something here for every style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiring ideas. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.